What time does the flight from Moscow arrive? It arrives at 10:30. What time does the flight from London arrive? It arrives at 13:10. What time does the flight from New York arrive? It arrives at 11:20. What time does the flight from Frankfurt arrive? It arrives at 11:40. Can you tell me what time the flight from Madrid arrives? It arrives at 14:20. What time does the flight from Brussels get in? It gets in at 12:30. What time does the flight from Paris get in? It gets in at 10:40. What time does the flight from Sydney get in? It gets in at 12:50. What time does the flight from Atlanta get in? It gets in at 13:40. Can you tell me what time the flight to Paris gets in? It gets in at 10:40. What time does the flight to Prague depart? It departs at 07:55. What time does the flight to Paris depart? It departs at 09:50. What time does the flight to London Gatwick depart? It departs at 0900. What time does the flight to Washington depart? It departs at 0920. What time does the flight to Boston take off? It takes off at 0930. What time does the flight to Las Vegas take off? It takes off at 09:55. What time does the flight to Sydney take off? It takes off at 09:05. Can you tell me what time the flight to Amsterdam takes off? It takes off at 08:35. What time does the flight to Chicago leave? It leaves at 08:20. What time does the flight to Frankfurt leave? It leaves at 11:45. What time does the flight to Brussels leave? It leaves at 13:25. Can you tell me what time the flight to Tokyo leaves? It leaves at 12:25. Can you tell me what time the flight to London Gatwick departs? It departs at 900. What time does the clothes shop close on Mondays? It closes at 1800. What time does the clothes shop open on Tuesdays? It opens at 08:30. What time does the shop close on Fridays? It closes at 5:30 p.m. What time does the shop open on Saturdays? It opens at 9 a.m. What time does the shop open on Wednesdays? It opens at 9:30 a.m. What time does the shop open on Sundays? It doesn't open on Sundays. It is closed. What time does the supermarket open on Thursdays? It opens at 8 a.m. What time does the supermarket open on Saturdays? It doesn't open on Saturdays. It's closed. What time does the shop close on Mondays? It doesn't open on Mondays. What time does the coffee shop open on Saturdays? It opens at 0900 on Saturdays. What time does the shop open on Saturday and Sunday? It opens at 1300 on Saturday and Sunday. What time does the bus come? It comes at 08:45. What time does the bus arrive? It arrives at 09:45. What time does your train get in? It gets in at 1300. What time does your train leave? It leaves in the next 10 minutes. What time does the train from Rome arrive? It arrives at 15:30. What time does school start in the UK? School starts at 9 in the UK. What time does school finish in the United Kingdom? School finishes at 3:30. What time does the movie start? It starts at 1900. What time does the film finish? It finishes at 10:30.